Hello guys, this is TrotTech. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make a VPN app in Android Studio, that too for free. And for the first time in YouTube I'll be showing you guys how to add our own servers in it. So get along with me and follow the steps as I do. So yeah, first of all we are cloning this app from a GitHub repository made by gayanvoice, so do check that out. Link will be in the description. So guys, let's start. So first of all we need to install Android Studio, that is the basic. So when we'll open Android Studio, something like this will appear. So you have to click on get from version control. Okay, so we have to paste the URL of the repository of the GitHub. So link will be in the description for the repository. Just copy it, go to Android Studio, paste the URL, give this app a name in the path. So I'll give it like first VPN server app. So just click on clone. It will take some time for it to clone. So yeah, it is getting cloned, so I guess it will take some time for the Gradle setup and the indexing. So I'll just fast forward it. So yeah guys, it's done. So we'll just click on project, we'll click on app, we'll click on manifest. We'll just open this file and look into it for some time. So yeah, so he has also given a medium link here. So this is the link. So he has told how to clone the project and all the things. So yeah, we'll be doing that step by step. So first step was to clone the project. We have did that. Paste the link. Yeah, we did that. Yeah, Gradle setup, everything is done till now. So yeah, this will I'll tell you later. This also, so yeah, we are done with it. So he has told us to remove the Google services JSON file before deploying. So you guys have to replace your JSON file. So I'll show you guys how to replace that. Go to project, double click on it. So yeah, click on app, double click. There would be a JSON file. Yeah, Google services JSON file. Just replace that file before like publishing the app or before building the app. Okay, so I would not be replacing that because it is of no use to me right now. Like I'm not publishing the app into Play Store, so I would not be replacing that, but you guys have to replace that before publishing app on Play Store. So yeah, we have done steps till now. So yeah, this is the most important step and which no one has told you in like YouTube, that too for free. Okay, so there is a app details JSON file .json file and there is a file detail .json file, very JSON file. So what we'll be doing is we'll be adding an OpenVPN servers to it. So let me just type in what are OpenVPN servers. Okay, so yeah, OpenVPN server is a virtual private network system that implements technique to create secure point-to-point or site-to-site connection in routed or bridged configurations and remote access facilities. Let me just yeah, so we are done. So what we'll be doing is we'll be adding OpenVPN servers to our apps. So there is a thing that most people are adding free servers to it, okay, to VPN apps. So some or most of the time they don't just perform or they are very slow. So we'll be adding fast VPN servers to it, also that too for free. So I'll be showing you guys how to do that. So first of all we'll be going to Google Cloud Console. Okay, I'll open it on incognito mode. Okay, so we'll be going to Google Cloud Console, credits. Okay, so just click on the first link, get started for free. We just have to sign up. Okay, create an account. Okay, just type in, like, I'll type trot tech, trot, maybe anything if you guys want to do that. Like, you guys just have to sign up for that, and you have to provide your card details, and you have to do a transaction of 1 rupees, I guess. Okay, and after doing that, and after doing or also verifying your account, what you'll do is you'll see a dashboard like this after signing in. So yeah guys, you just have to go to Google Cloud Platform and you'll see a dashboard like this. Okay, so first of all, after signing up for Google Cloud Platform, you'll get $300 credit for them, for you making instances or making servers in it. So I'll just go to billing section and would show you guys where that credit is showing up. So yeah, this is the free trial credit. So I made this account on 31st July 2020, so it's valid for around 1 year, and you will get a credit of $300, which is 21,407 in Indian rupees. So we'll be using this amount to initiate or make our own servers, so we don't get paid. Also, you'll be charged, so after this amount gets over, so you will be charged some amount, but keep in mind that you end your servers before your free trial credits ends. So just go to marketplace and type in OpenVPN and press enter. Click on the first one, click on launch. It might take some time for you guys in deploying that. So yeah, also when you get $300 credits from Google, so there are some restrictions to it. Like, I'll be showing you guys what are the restrictions. This link will be in the description, so do check that out also. So yeah, free tier usage limit. So yeah, the basic limit, so you can only create servers for like US Central 1, US West 1, US East 1. Also, you cannot have a boot disk of only small or micro. I'll go for the micro one. So where are these regions and what are these region codes? So a link in the description for the regions and zones as well. So these are the regions and zones. Let me just go through that. These are the regions. So it's like, if you want to create a VPN for Asia servers, so you have to just select in the zone section, like Asia. Where is the Asia part? Asia Southeast 1. So what is Asia Southeast 1? Asia Southeast 1 is Ivy Bridge, Sandy Bridge, Haswell, Broadwell, Skylake. So it is for the Singapore server. Okay, so just go through that part and just select the servers for which country that you want to make. Okay, so I'll be creating for the US, so I'll be selecting US Central 1A. So just select here US Central. Where is the US Central part? So it's up there, US Central 1A or 1B, it doesn't matter. So just give it a name, so I'll be giving it United States. Also, don't give any like spaces in between, so just give a dash. United States server VPN. Okay, you don't have to touch anything in here, so just click on deploy. It will take some time, around I guess 1 minute maybe, for it to deploy. So by the time it is getting deployed, I'll guide you the whole process what we are going to do. Okay, so after creating the servers, we'll get a .ovpn file basically, okay, and our IP address in which we want to connect or we want to change our IP to. Okay, so like he has told us to replace the app details and the file details part, okay, so that our app gets connected or our IP is changed. So yeah, we need to change this part. Like he hasn't installed a certificate to it, so we won't be able to connect to that VPN. So we'll be adding our own city, own IP here, okay. And signal, I told you guys US Central 1A, so we'll be giving it a signal A. Okay, so I'll be guiding you through the whole this process and the file details we want to change, where we'll be adding the internal files of the .ovpn that we'll get. Okay, so I guess that might be done till now. Let me just go through that part. Where is it? So yeah, it's done. So just right click on the instance part and open link in new tab, and also don't go for the admin URL. I'll be guiding through that process also. So we have gone to the Google Cloud platform. So I'll select my project. I'll click on continue. So yeah, I'll click on continue. So I'll just click on edit. Just tick mark this allow HTTP and HTTPS traffic, and we'll be changing the network interfaces where we'll be assigning a static IP address to our external static IP address. Okay, so just click on the network interfaces part, go to external IP, create the IP address, give it a name. I'll give it United States 2 maybe, and just click on reserve. It will take some time. Just click on done, click on save, and it would be done in a minute or so. So now we'll go to the deployment manager. This is the deployment manager where we have created an open VPN access server. So we have assigned a different IP to it, so we won't be using, see that it is showing null because IP is being assigned to it. So yeah, it will take some time, don't worry. So yeah, it's done. So just click on VM instances. Okay, so you can see here. So this is our external IP. We'll just copy it, or maybe we'll go to deployment manager. We'll just copy this thing. We'll go to new tab. We'll copy this. Sorry, we'll paste this, and we'll be replacing that null thing with our external IP because we have changed the IP, so it's showing null there. And just click enter. It will take some time as it is not HTTPS, so it might show an error as well, but don't worry, I'll be guiding you through that process as well. Just refresh this once more. It will take some time, or for a sec just refresh this. Okay, so it has assigned a different IP, sorry guys. So just copy the new IP and replace this with it and click enter. let me just check once again. So yeah, it shows privacy error. Just click on advanced, click on proceed. I did a mistake that I copied that previous IP, so you just after reserving external IP, just refresh it and copy the new external IP. So the admin password is this, sorry, username, the password is this. You guys have to change that afterwards. Okay, just click on sign in. It has signed in, so it is going for the status overview. So just click on agree. Okay, so now we have logged into our OpenVPN access server. So go to network settings. As you guys know, it has assigned us a different IP, so we need to change our IP in the OpenVPN access server with the one we reserved, okay, in the VM instances. So we have to copy this IP. We have gone to network settings, just paste that IP here and click on save settings. Click on update running server. Okay, so running server updated. Now go to VPN settings. Okay, so this is the most important step. So if you want to connect to our VPN server in the app, so when we click on connect, we would be connected to the server, but we won't be directed to that IP, so it's of no use. So you guys just have to click on this button and give it a yes. Should client internet traffic be routed through the VPN, just give it a yes and save settings. Update running server. So yeah guys, we are done with the half of the video. So if you guys are liking this video right now, please do give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. So I'll be guiding you through the whole process right now. So we'll go to the user management, we'll go to user permissions. So now when we'll try to connect to our OVPN server or OpenVPN server in the app, it will ask for a username and password. Okay, so we don't need that. So we'll be making a auto login profile. So every time we click on connect, so it will be directly connecting to our VPN server without entering the username and password. So for that we need to create a auto login profile. So I'll be creating a auto login profile. So just click on allow auto login profile, give it a username, like I'll give it trot. Click on more settings. Password would be trot as well. We don't need this, but yeah. Click on allow access from all server side private subnets on both of them. Okay, allow VPN other VPN clients and just click on save settings. So what it has done is it has created a auto login profile for us in the OpenVPN access server. So we'll be downloading a .ovpn file from that and we'll be implementing that in our app to connect it through a VPN address. Okay, so now what we'll do is we'll download this auto login profile. So what you guys have to do is you have to go to the deployment manager, this thing, like see it has changed the IP now. So what we'll do is we'll go to the above IP site address. This is for the user login and this is for the admin URL. So difference between that is there is a semicolon 943/admin and in the normal URL there is nothing. It's a 443, but if we also don't write that, we'll be redirect it to it. So we'll just click on it. So there would be a open, yeah, so we'll just type trot username and trot in the, and you guys can have your own username and password. Just click on sign in. It would be signing in and it would be giving us a .ovpn file. So yeah, it has told us that we can use this .ovpn server in these 5 platforms. So yeah, you can use that anywhere you want, .ovpn server. So we'll click on yourself auto login profile. So it will download a .ovpn file, I guess. Just click on it once again. So yeah, it has downloaded. So I'll check my desktop for that. It's unconfirmed till now. I guess the download hasn't completed. It may be dangerous. Just click on keep. Just I'll discard this one. I have one, I guess. So yeah, it's the client one. So yeah, I have downloaded the .ovpn file. So we'll be implementing, if you guys want to use this .ovpn file for your PC, there's a I button right in front of you. You will be seeing a video of connecting .ovpn file with a, or using a OVPN server in PC. So I have made a video on that as well, so you can definitely check that out. But I'll be using this file in the mobile app, so I'll be guiding you through that process. So if you want to check that out for the PC, you can do that as well. So we'll just go to our OVPN file and we'll right click on it, and we'll try to open with Notepad++, and we'll see the insights of what it generally contains. Okay, so edit with Notepad++. So yeah, you can see that we have this file right now here in front of us. Okay, so yeah, it contains, see, when you will build the application through normal process, like if I build this application right now and if I run it and if I try to connect to the given server, it will tell me that it doesn't have a certificate or a user certificate. This is the certificate which I was talking about. So we'll be adding this certificate in our app and we'll be doing that step right now. So what I'll do is I'll tell you guys the whole GitHub thing. So guys, as you know, we have now created the AutoVPN file. So we just have to now create a GitHub account. Okay, so we can replace our links with it. As he has said, just change the JSON values and upload into your server or host in the fork repository. This the app detail link. This is I guess, where is it? Yeah, this is the app details one, and one more link will be there of the file details.json file. So we'll be replacing that in the Android Studio, and we'll go to Android, we'll go to VPN, we'll be changing it in welcome activity and in the server activity. So we'll change that afterwards. So first of all, we'll create that link. How do we create that link? Just go to, sorry, my laptop is kind of slow, so you guys can watch this video in 1.5 or 1.25x if you guys want to do that, or you guys can wait. So just go to GitHub, and so I have signed in. You guys just have to sign up, give your email address and give your password. So after that, you guys will see a dashboard like this basically. So you guys have to go to your repositories. So I have created many repositories. So just click on new, give it a name. I'll give it VPN1. Okay, so it is public. Just click on create repository. So now we have to, as you guys know that he has uploaded two files in it, the app details and the file details. So that two files will be in the description, or if you guys want to create that file by yourself, so you guys can just simply copy this app details. Okay, Control C, go to Notepad plus, click on new, just paste it right here, click save, give it a name. I'll save it on desktop, so I'll give it a name app details .json. So it will be a normal text file only, or if it has a .json, I guess it does not have a .json. So yeah, we just click on save, so a JSON file will be created. So yeah, there it is. So for your better understanding, or for you not to do that work, so I have created a folder VPN master like this. So I'll be giving these files in the description, so download that files from there. So after downloading that files, when you will go to your repository, I'll click on your repository. Okay, so I'm in that repository. I know, just click on upload an existing file. Now click on choose your files. Now just select that two files that I gave you right now. I'll go to desktop. Okay, I'll go to VPN Master. I'll select this file and open. So it is uploading two files right now. So yeah, it's done. Just click on commit changes. So after creating, like I have uploaded both the files. So now I'll be editing that with my own IP, that I own OVPN address that I created. So I'll just go to app details.json. I'll click on edit this file. Okay, so yeah, you have to replace your IP here right now. Okay, with the one you created. So you will go to your Google Cloud Console, or you will go to anywhere if you want. So I'll go to VM instances. So I'll copy this IP. I'll go back. I'll replace this IP with that. The signal was A only, I guess. So it doesn't matter, to be honest. So just give this a name, United States. So this name will appear on your app, like when you'll try to connect. So I'll keep that as simple. It will be United States. So if you guys want to add more servers, you can add servers like this. You just have to copy this, paste, give it a ID 1, give it a file name 1. Okay, so you guys can add as many as servers if you want. I'll just create one for you guys, or maybe two. So just click on commit changes. You guys don't have to touch anything here. I'll go back. I'll go to file details JSON. I click on edit. So now I'll have to replace this whole thing with my own .ovpn file. Okay, so I created this, or I downloaded this .ovpn file. So I'll right click on it. I'll click on edit with Notepad++. So yeah, it's open right now. So where I'll go is from here, set in V. You have to copy till the whole thing. Okay, you have to copy till this much part, TLS auth. Okay, so just copy it, go to GitHub, from file after the semicolon till the last semicolon. Okay, this one, just erase it, add your own OVPN file, just paste that part. Okay, just paste this here. I'll just double check with the IP address. Here will be my IP address 104.198. Yeah, I'm done. So I'll just double check that part. I'll click on commit changes. So yeah, okay, so now we have to replace. Now we have done everything. We are done with that part. So now we just have to click on VPN. I'll click on right click and open link in new tab. file details also open link in new tab. So now we have to give our this link to our Android Studio, and we just have to build the application. So we cannot just give this name and like it cannot run on this link, so we have to create a raw repository for that, or basically a raw. So we just click on raw and it will be redirected to a page. It will just click on the file details as well. So yeah, as you guys know, he has told us to replace these parts, right? Change the JSON value and upload into your server or host in the forked repository. The app details and add the link of a JSON file in the welcome activity. We have to change that in the welcome activity and in the server activity. The file details, yeah, the welcome activity. He has already told about the welcome activity, but I'm pretty sure we have to change it two places. So yeah, it's server activity and welcome activity. So just copy this app details part, copy, go to Android Studio. Don't miss out on this step, guys. It is very important. Go to server activity. Okay, go below. Just check where the app details one is. So yeah, here is the string request and it is for the app details, right? So just click on it. I'll just delete it maybe, or is it? Yeah, you just have to, where is it? Sorry guys, I don't know where that has gone. So yeah, there it is. You just have to replace it with our own thing. So I'll just paste it right here. So it must be the app details one. So yeah, it's done. So we have replaced that with our own file. So now we'll go to Chrome and we'll go to the file details one, and we'll be doing that as well. Control C, Android Studio. We'll go down it. I guess it is the file details one. It will be on the 166 line. So you guys have to change there. So yeah, just paste it right here. And I don't think so we have to change anything in this Java class. So now we'll go to welcome activity, and now we'll be doing the same thing right here. So we'll be replacing our own file details. It is for the images one, I guess. He has told us to change that part as well. So yeah, we'll be pasting our file name here, file details.json, and for the app details I'll go to Chrome. You just have to copy the URL. Sorry guys, we have to go to Android Studio. Now I'll replace it with the app details and we just have to paste it. Okay, so we are done. Also we have to change here, I guess. No, we don't have to. Yeah, we are done with it. Let me just recheck on that part. It's done, I guess. So yeah, we are done with it. So now we just have to build our application and we have to run and test it out. So we'll click on build application, build APK. It will take some time as my laptop is slow, so I'll just fast forward this video, I guess. So see you in a bit of time. So yeah guys, I guess it's done. So what I'll do is, because emulator can't run in my PC, so I will be sending this APK to my phone, and I'll be showing you guys on my PC, my phone screen. So yeah, I'll be doing that and I'll be meeting you guys very soon. Sorry guys, we need to change something in the link as it will not work afterwards. I have tested it out and I have not told you guys about that thing. So first of all, I'm very sorry for that. So you just have to go to your repository. Okay, I'll go to mine. Okay, so now click on settings. Now go to branches and change this main branch to, just click on the rename branch and just change it with master. Okay, so and then rename the branch. Okay, so yeah, we are done with it. So now go to your repository and now go to that app details thing. Now click on app details. Now click on raw, and now you can see the difference. Previously it was here main instead of master, so we have to change that. So when we change, now we have to copy this and change it in our Android Studio. Now as you guys can see, it was mains, so we have to change it at the new link, which is the master. Okay, similarly we have to do that here as well. We just have to write file instead of, okay, in the welcome. You guys know how to do that, right? So you just have to change that link. So yeah, here it will come file. So now you have to just create your builder application. I have built it, so now it will work for sure. And if you want to locate your APK, just click on locate and it will open the where your app is in your PC or your laptop. So it will take some time, guys, wait a second. So yeah, just send it to your mobile and test it out. So now I'll show the screen recording of my phone right now to you guys, so where I have built the application and all. So wait for around 5 seconds. I'll show you guys where the application is. So yeah guys, now you can see my phone screen. So here is the application Buzz VPN, and beside that application is the Scoot VPN, which I have uploaded on the Play Store. So if you guys want that app, you can have that in the description, it is right there. So we have built this application Buzz VPN, just click on it. So yeah, now it's open. So now you can see the server right there of United States. So just click on it, just click on the United States server. As you guys know, I have told you earlier that I have created only one server. So if you have want to create more servers, you can through OpenVPN, and it will get added up accordingly. Okay, so just click on United States, click on connect, configuring settings, server is waiting, getting the server, assigning IP address, it's done guys. Okay, so we have created we have been assigned a new IP address. So I'll just go to Chrome and re-verify it. Okay, I'll go to Chrome and I'll go to my IP address. I was searching for Zomato, guys, sorry. So now the new IP address has been assigned, which is 104.198.73.35. So now guys, I'll just turn off my screen recording. Okay, so yeah, I have turned it off. So now I'll show you where is the so we are connected to the server, right? So the OVPN, the open VPN server will be showing 1 in the VPN connections. Okay, so when we'll sign in the admin thing, so here it shows 0. So we'll just refresh it and we'll see a 1 instead of current active users. Okay, wait till it is getting refresh. So yeah, as you guys see, so 1 is the device that is being connected. So you can go to current users. Wait for a sec, guys, it's loading. So yeah, you can probably block this IP address or what, everything you can do here right now, what you want to do. So it says this is the real address, this is the VPN address, current duration is 146. It gets updated. So okay, so I have created one server, right? So accordingly you can create as many as servers you want. So I'll be telling you if you add new servers. Okay, so how is it going to add in the list thing, okay, where you see all the servers. Also guys, that application also records your usage. I'll tell you guys, wait, it has dark mode also, so it will show your data usage, your time usage, number of connections you had and everything. And it has a section where you can like redirect it to your social media networks like Facebook, YouTube. So you can probably change that link or change your UI of the app accordingly if you want. Yeah, that's it. So I'll be showing you how to add new servers if you want to. So you just have to go to your repository. So yeah, I am in my repository right now. No, I am not. Now I am. So I'll go to app details. I'll click on edit. So I'll just copy this thing and I'll paste it in the next one. So I'll give it an ID 1. I'll give it a file name 1. If you want to do it for Australia, I generally type Australia, country Australia. And for the image guys, you have to go to Android Studio. You have to go to the, I guess, let me check, it is the main activity, or where is it, where it has like all the flags name. So you have to check that by yourself, or I'll just let you know in, wait, I'll check that out. So I'll just go to maybe drawable and I must see. So yeah, it's here. So you just have to type accordingly, like it has given some name to the flag thing. So it is in the main activity, I guess. I'm not, so yeah, here it is. So like it has given some name to the United States. So we wrote here in the GitHub United States in the front of image. So if you want to create it for Australia, it will basically pick the image of, like here is the Australia flag, so it will show the flag image in front of Australia. Okay, so we'll type it here, Australia, and you can like accordingly, after creating the OpenVPN, you have to change your IP address with it, your signal that I told you earlier also. Okay, so we'll cancel the changes. Yeah, leave. Accordingly in the file details. Also guys, after creating after copying it, just give it ID 1, file 1, and accordingly 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, how many servers you want. Go to bus, go to file details, and now you have to add your certificates here. So just click on edit. So accordingly what I do is I just copy this whole part. Okay, so I just paste it in the next line for creating my for adding my new servers. Okay, so I just give it a name, ID accordingly, the one we gave earlier. Okay, so it will take that value out of from here and we'll just commit changes. So he'll be adding up the servers accordingly. So yeah guys, as you guys know, we are done with the video. We have made an app. So the last step he told us to do was to change the UI, and also that depends on you totally, how you want to change that and how well you can do that, how the user experience you want to change, how the colors, the everything you want to change. Don't forget to change the Google services JSON file before publishing the app in the Play Store. Okay, accordingly, so you have to change the name of the app as well. If everything you want to change. UI depends totally on you. I've told you the basics and how you can build a VPN app. So guys, that's it for the video. I've worked really hard for this video, so do give this video a like. Please subscribe to my channel and do comment down if you have any queries regarding it. So guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.